Hi all, I hope you are able to hear my voice. If you are able to hear my voice and able to see the screen, please type yes. We will start the session and we will start the topic coding and decoding today. See, this topic is going to be very brief and I will explain what kind of models are going to be there and we are going to discuss for around just 20 minutes. Then we are going to wind up the session. So please pay attention for first 20 minutes. Okay, so as I told you in coding and decoding, it's very easy topic. He is going to give some examples like example of a code and you need to find out how you are getting the answer. Okay, so we'll start one by one. The first one we are going to start here is I will give you example. You need to find out how you are getting that answer. For example, see here. I'll directly give you the questions and you just need to find out answer. No need to write anything. Let us take the first one is in a certain code. The question is going to be like this. In a certain code, board is written as CNBQE. Now the question here is how will crime can be written in the same code? See, the question is going to be like this. In a certain code, board is written as CNBQE. How will crime can be written in the same code? So as you can see here, first of all you need to identify how you are getting this particular word from the given word. Then you have to apply the same logic here. Very simple. He is going to give you one example of how you are getting the code. Using that example, you need to find out answer for the question. So here, this is the basic model. That means, see here. First, try to identify how you are getting this particular word from this word. So here, we are writing C from B. That means that is the next letter. O from N. That means that is the previous letter. Here, A and B. That is again next letter. And R and Q. That is previous letter. D and E, that is next letter. So we are writing like next letter, previous letter, next letter, previous letter, next letter and previous letter like this. So you have to apply the same logic there. That means that, see here, what is C's next letter? D. What is R's previous letter? Q. What is I's next letter? J. What is M's previous letter? L. What is E's next letter? F. So this is going to be your answer. That's it. You need to identify how you are getting this word from this word. Then you have to apply the same logic here to find out your answer. Look at the problem once. If it is clear, type yes. If you are having any doubt, please ask me now. See, I'm not going to erase the letters because we are going to use them later on. So I will write respective positions also here. So see, I'm going to write the positions also. See, the reason why I'm writing here is, see, if you don't want, yeah, the thing is you need to remember each and every letter with their respective position. But it is somewhat difficult when you are learning all 26. So what I am telling you here is, see, remembering every letter and their position is somewhat difficult. So if you want, you can remember all 26. Otherwise, you can remember this one. Okay, that is EJOT. That means 5th, 10th, 15th, 20th and 25th letters. So you can easily guess next and previous letter. Okay. So see here, one of your friend is asking, is it R's previous letter. So let us check once. Anyway, I'm going to use the normal method, which I'm going to write everything. So as you can see here, C's next letter, R's previous letter. See here, R's previous letter is Q only. Yeah, I have written the same thing. No, like C's next letter, R's previous letter is Q. Previous means the letter which comes before R. That is Q only. P, Q, R, S, like that. I hope that one is clear. I will ask you the second question. Try to answer that one. Now the question here is, we are going to deal with symbol coding. The question is like this. In a certain code, knife is written as dollar 3 percentile hash 5, and lake is written as lake is written as 7 at the rate dollar 5. Now you need to find out how fail can be written in the same code. I'm repeating once again. In a certain code, knife is written as dollar 3 percentile hash 5. Lake is written as 7 at the rate dollar 5. How will fail will be written in the same code? Try to guess the answer. So as you can see, by looking at the letters, you can say there is not any plus and minus one kind of coding. There is actually symbol coding. Symbol coding in the sense you don't need to do anything. You just need to check for common letters and check whether they are having common symbols or not. See here, I'm having E here and E here. I'm having 5 here, 5 here. That means as same letter is having same code, I can say that. See again, K here, K here. Same symbol for K. So as each letter is having same, and like each letter is having each code, you can say this is symbol coding. In symbol coding, first letter is equal to first symbol, second letter equal to second symbol, like that. So I want to find out fail. Where is F here? F is the fourth letter here. Fourth letter means hash. Where is A is the second letter here, which is at the rate. Where is I is the third letter here, which is percentile. And coming to L is the first letter, that is 7. So this is going to be your answer here. So that is called symbol coding. He is going to give example and you need to identify what is the symbol for each and every letter. You have to mix those combinations to get your final answer. Check out the problem once, then we'll move on to the next one. At any point, if you are having any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Okay. Okay, now I want everyone to answer this one. Okay, let's check the question once. In a certain code, cat is written as 3120, dog is written as 4157. I want you to tell me what will be the decoded form of 25144. Until now, whatever the problem you are solving, we are finding out numbers from the letters. But now the question here is, if you know the numbers, what will be the word? I'm repeating the question once again. In a certain code, cat is written as 3120, dog is written as 4157. What will be the decoded form of 25144? Okay, what I want to explain from this problem here is it is always not possible to get the word from the code. See, if you know the word, you can get the code for sure. But if you know the code, sometimes you may not get the word. See here, I haven't told anywhere. See, remember one thing. I haven't told anywhere. Each word is only three letters. So you can, as I told you, I haven't told that one. It can be 25144, or it can be 25 14 4, or it can be 2 5 14 4. So if you're reading it as 25144, it is going to be B E A D D. If you're reading it as 25 14 4, it is going to be Y N D. If you're reading as 2 5 14 4, it is going to be B N N D. So you are going to get three different kind of words because we don't know how to read that numbers, whether to take it separately or whether to combine them. So that's why the answer here is cannot be determined, because it is not possible to find out exact the decoded form from the coded word. If I know the word is like BEADD, then I can say the answer is 25144. From the word you can get the code. From the code you may not get the word always. That's why here the answer is cannot be determined, because we are getting three different combinations for the same decoded form. I hope this one is clear. So remember, here the answer is cannot be determined. Guys, remember, most of you are saying the code is bend. There is no rule that it has to have only 3 or 4 letters. I haven't told you. But for example, let us take, I am telling you in the note, let us say I have given you a note, each word is only 3 letters. If I am saying each word is only 3 letters, then you can say the answer is this one, Y and D. Okay, but I haven't told anything like that. That's why the answer is cannot be determined. Let's erase this one and move on to the next one. Now the question is like this. If the code for mobile is 56, what is the code for phone? As you can see, that is very easy. You just need to add the respective positions of each and every letter, like MOBILE, MOBILE, add all of them, you will get 56. Similarly, add all the letters in phone, you will get the answer. So I am not going to give that easy one. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, no need to worry about that one. That's very easiest one. Anyway, you have the problem in the notes, so you can go through and check it out once. So try to guess the next one. In a certain code, bean is written as ABNE, and sale is written as LSEA. You need to find out how you are going to write news in the same code. I am repeating once again. Bean is written as ABNE, sale is written as LSEA, news is how you are going to write. You need to find out that one. See, I will tell you one thing. Sometimes you may not get any logic even after doing +1 -1 +2 -2, alternate, addition, subtraction. Even after applying so many logics, you may not get the answer. In that time, you need to check this one. Are you having same letters in the question as well as in the answer? See, whatever the letters, BEN, BEAN. So if you are having same letters in the question as well as same letters in the answer, That means there is actually jumbled coding. Jumbled coding in the sense he is going to move the letters forward and backward. There are three ways of doing this one. First one, random jumping. Random means he's going to give a pattern. That's what we're going to do next in this problem. Second one is alphabetical order. Third one is reverse alphabetical order. That means alphabetical order means from A to Z, reverse order from Z to A. Anyway, in our case, we are not having alphabetical because we are having N in the middle. It is also not reverse alphabetical. Why? Because we are having A at the starting. So both of them are not possible. So it is actually random coding. Random coding means let us take 1, 2, 3, 4 are the letters. He is writing 3, 1, 4, 2. When you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, he is writing 3, 1, 4, 2 again. When you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, he is again writing 3, 1, 4, 2. So whenever you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to write the answer as 3, 1, 4, 2. So the answer is 3n, 1n, 4 is S and 2 is E. So this is going to be your answer. So it's called jumbled coding. Jumbled coding in the sense he is going to move them forward and backward. Just give them numbers and try how you are getting the pattern. Give the numbers, try how you are getting the pattern. Apply the same logic to get your answer. If this logic is failing, then check alphabetical order. That means first has to be A and last has to be N. If that is also failing, check reverse alphabetical order. First has to be N and last has to be A, like that. That is called jumbled coding. Okay. We'll solve one more problem that is called chain coding. I will write that one, then I will explain. So the next question here is chain coding. Chain coding means wherever he is stopping, he is going to give link it to the next one. For example, the question is going to be like this: in a certain code, in a certain code, okay, in a certain code, green is blue, blue is yellow, yellow is red, red is black, black is white, and white is brown. I'm repeating once again. In a certain code, green is blue, blue is yellow, yellow is red, red is black, black is white, white is brown. So wherever he's saying, like for example, if green is blue, then he's going to start from blue only. In a certain code, green is blue, blue is yellow, yellow is red, red is black, black is white, and white is brown. He is going to give 4 5 letters like this, or 4 5 words like this. Then he will ask you the question. The question here is, what is the color of human blood? The actual answer should be red, but we have to answer it according to our problem. So what is red in our problem? Black. So the answer is going to be black. That's it. What is the color of blood? So color of blood is red. So what is the answer for red? Actually in our code, black. So answer should be black but not red, so your answer should be black. So this is how you are going to solve coding and decoding. He is going to give you so many possibilities. There is no rule that you have to get only this. You can get several kind of letters. Sometimes +1, sometimes -1, sometimes +1, +2, then -1, -2, again +1, +2, again -1, -2. So we can't say what kind of codes you are going to get. So that's why make sure what you are solving, and in my notes I have included further more. So stay tuned, and just check in the Telegram channel once. I will tell you the Telegram channel link. Go to the Telegram channel and download the notes. You can find all the topics there. Go to Telegram and type this spelling without spaces. Okay, don't include any space. Without space, type this one: Ashok Kumar Bandi students, and use the search button. Okay, use the search button and type hand space written, hand space written. Search the exact spelling. Go to this Telegram group, search like this: hand space written. Okay, then like go up until you find a Google Drive link. Okay, in the drive you have the entire notes. Okay, go to the Telegram channel Ashok Kumar Bandi students, then type hand space and search for hand space written. Go up until you find a Google Drive link. From there you can download the entire notes. Okay, so if possible subscribe the channel. Okay, and try to join in the WhatsApp group. If you're having any doubt till the end of this examinations, please let me know. Most probably in 1 or 2 days I'm going to conduct an examination for you. Based on your pass percentage they are going to conduct, and they are going to select few people for the technical training. Okay, try to prepare all the topics. We are going to conduct one exam. Based on your score we are going to select few people for the technical training. So pay attention. If you're having any doubt, ask me in the WhatsApp group. If everything is clear, please type yes. We'll wind up the session. There is nothing more to discuss in coding and decoding. Okay, please type yes. We will wind up the session. If you're having any doubt, you can ask. Okay, guys, that's it for our class. If you're having any doubt in any other topic, please let me know. And don't worry, I'm going. These are the only few topics that will come in V. And frankly saying, V syllabus is so vast, but these are the important topics. But I will try to upload as many videos as possible. So daily I will upload 2 3 videos based on these topics. So try to watch them. You'll get better idea. But if you're having any doubt, just leave me a message in WhatsApp. Thank you. All the best and good day. Thank you.